Hello, hi everyone. Have a warm welcome to the Silk Zone and to our channel. This is Divya here. Here I am today to show you the beautiful and pretty collection, new collection of our products. This is linen, pure linen sari with the sari overall digital print floral collection with the red border and the golden zari border, and the sari is pure linen. As you can see, this is a peach color combination, and all over the sari you have digital print, and we get the contrast blouse with it. What I'm wearing with the blouse also, you're gonna get it red color in the border, in the sleeves, and the golden zari. And the cost of the sari is 2700 for prepaid, and on COD you're gonna get it in 2900. This is a very beautiful and skin friendly, and I'm loving the sari. Actually, if you purchase the sari, you will know the fabric and you love the sari. Actually, I'm feeling it. I'll just take it right away. This is another pretty sari in the linen sari collections. As you're seeing it, this is sober and simple cream color with a royal blue border with a multicolor floral digital print all over the sari. And the pallu, you can see what I'm wearing and draping it. In pallu you have a horizon colored of multicolors digital prints on the sari pallu also, and this is of royal blue in the pallu. And the fabric is so pure linen, and I'm feeling it so comfortable and elegant to wear. And the cost of the sari is 2700 in prepaid, and the COD is of 2900. I'm draping the contrast color blouse with the same silver border zari, and the sari also has the silver zari in all over the borders of it. This is one of the most prettiest collection in the linen saris, that is in pista green color with a combination of yellow border, red borders and yellow print combination in the pallu. We get multicolored floral digital prints all over the sari, and the border is in zari, golden zari border, and with the red color sari. You get the blouse in the red color contrast which will match the border of it, and the cost of the sari is gonna get it in 2700 in prepaid and 2900 in the COD. This is also one of the most prettiest color sari in the linen product. This is the creamish like peach colored combination sari with the golden zari border and the red color border in it, and the pallu, I'm showing it here for you. It is the combination of yellow color, and all over the sari you're gonna get a digital print multicolored sari and floral digital prints. And the blouse, you're gonna get it in a contrast color of the red, which is gonna match with the border of red color. And the cost of the sari in prepaid, you're gonna get it in 2700, and in COD you're gonna get it in 2900. This is another prettiest sari with a different digital print floral. As I showed you in the previous sari, with the same color and the same combination with the silver color and the royal blue border with the peach like creamish color. What is the difference I'm telling you is the print of the flowers all over the sari is a quite difference, nothing much difference in it. And the borders, you're gonna get it in a silver zari border, and the blouse you're gonna get it in a contrast as what I'm wearing in royal blue with the silver zari border, and the cost is of the same 2700 in prepaid and 2900 in the COD. As I can see, this is the most light color in the by the women's. What is the difference for the previous sari and this sari? I can tell those were the digital prints, and this is the block prints. As you can see, the all over the sari is block print with the hibiscus flowers. As you can see, these are all completely all over the sari. These are the block prints with the same silver zari border with the pink color borders, and this is the pallu in the combination of light pink, dark pink, and the light violet. And the blouse, you're gonna get it in this way. It is so pretty. You're getting it in a, what I can say, the flowers combination with the contrast with the border, and the cost of this is just 1999. This is a very beautiful peach color. As we all can say, it's a white color sari with the silver zari border and the yellow color. All over the sari we have the print of green and pink color. This is the pallu, I'm showing it. The pallu has the leaf and floral prints on it, hand prints, pure linen, and we're gonna get it in the entire sari, the silver zari border with the yellow, and entire sari is a hand print sari, and the cost of this is 1999. again in the white sari, but the difference is of different color block prints all over the saree is in sky blue color and a black color as you are seeing it, and with a silver zari border and the black color borders. You're gonna get it the contrast blouse in black color. All over the saree you have complete hand block prints which is in sky blue and black color. The cost of the saree is just 1,999. It is so comfortable and easy to wear. You would love the saree once if you purchase it. This is one of the most prettiest color, as we said, the white color. Who will not like the white color? Most peaceful, and in all the occasions people use it. The same linen saree, pure hand block prints. The difference is the design, and with the silver zari border and with the blue borders, which is the contrast blouse with it, and the pallu is this with the prints of black and sky blue color pallu. Very elegant, simple, sober, and everybody would like it. Who not? And the cost is of just 1,999. This is very beautiful, and what we can tell, gorgeous look it gives once you feel the fabric, pure linen. The same pretty color white, but the difference is, as again I'm telling, the color, the blue, black and the dark navy blue, which is the contrast blouse, and the borders have the same silver zari, and the prints is varying when we compare it with the previous saree. This is again the linen pure hand print block print sarees. The entire saree you have the block prints like a floral leaves and like a mango design in the pallu with a combination of blue, sky blue, dark navy blue and the black color. And entire saree you have a print like this, like we can tell it as a leaves print. That's a pure hand block print, and the cost of the saree is 1,999, just 1,999. Hurry up and purchase it. You can feel the fabric and it is so good and comfortable, elegant. This is another beautiful collection of a linen saree which is in the yellow color, or you can just call it as a yellow mixed meaty and orange color with a zari, silver zari border, and with the contrast for this saree we have the pink color, and if you want we can customize this blouse in green color also. This is the pure jacquard weaving design pattern saree. On entire saree we have the flower like a lotus kind, entire saree, and this is the pallu as you're seeing it. In pallu we have the pink color horizon line with again silver border, and we have this frinkages made for you which looks more pretty when you make a fleece. And again to enhance the flowers in entire saree we have given you the stones so that it looks more pretty. And for this we can tell the saree is so good, and the linen, pure linen, the premium quality saree, and the cost of the saree is 2,700. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. If you want to purchase this kinds of saree, you can log in www.silkzone.in and you can directly book, and we have much more collection of these sarees in our website. You can also click on the link which is given in the description. I request you all to share, like and subscribe our channel, and I also request you to click on the bell icon so as soon as we post our video you can immediately get the notification and have a look at the latest collection of us. Thank you.